Man, it's getting cold out here. Oh, hi everybody. I'm just doing a little bit of exploring. See, look, I'm going to go out on the beach and beyond. But, oh, you get, oh, lots of snow on you. Oh. Oh. But I had snow because the experience I had last year with snow sucked. So, the only thing I like about it is eating it. Oh. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, and now I'm going deep into the woods. For a second there, I think if I'm not careful, I might get lost. Hey, in fact, where am I? Oh, I'll find my way out sooner or later. Let's just go in deeper. Dang it! I'm getting so much snow on me. When I go back inside, I'm going to be so wet. I'm going to have to change clothes. I should have gotten a coat for this. I should have. Let's just go under here. Oh, I don't think I can get across that. Look at all that. Maybe I can. Let's try. Oh! No! My back's all... Holy crap! Okay, I think I'm going to go back. Hey, wait a second. How do I get back in? I'll find my way. I can't go out that way. I'll try to go out this way. I'm getting kind of lost here. Let's go down here. Oh no. I'm getting lost.